Whoa, what's up? Today's video is on T.I. Now, if you new here, what the fuck we do here is read, listen, watch, and we block talk, break that shit down. And today's video is on T.I. And we gotta start off with the ignorance disclaimer because I know it's somebody waiting right now to say that I'm hating. And if you saying that to yourself, you should leave right now with your childish ass. This is only for adults. If you got a problem with what they call cursed words and shit, frogs will not fall from the sky. The blood of your firstborn not gonna fall from the sky. You should leave as well, goddamn it, because I give it my way. BT and Block Talk News. Anyway, let me take y'all to the article now that the kids is gone. Trial has brought the concept of snitching back on people's mind in a way it hasn't been since Carmelo Anthony was appearing in the street PSAs. But even with the high level of attention 6ix9ine cooperation with authorities has received, T.I. doesn't think Takashi will have a problem outside of prison. In an interview with Big Boy, T.I. shared that he thinks Takashi's sentence will be drastically reduced and that he'll have no problem coming home once he does get out. T.I. said that there are plenty of rats walking around right now. They riding around with somebody they know done told in their hood right now because, well, he didn't tell on me. This cat can come home and throw parties and the parties be popping. It be full, he said, around the 56-minute mark. If motherfuckers don't fuck with rats, how the hell this party so packed? And everybody know how cuz came home. Everybody know what happened. Now let's block talk break all of this bullshit down block by block. Let's get to the first fucking block. Y'all see they say, oh, it's a lot of attention on the bullshit, whatever, because he fucking snitched. I don't give a damn about who he snitched on, because a lot of you idiots like, oh, well, he should have snitched on them. That's what happened to gangsters every fucking day. Gangsters get set up. Niggas rob people in their own camp, goddammit. It's a gangster being set up right now by his right-hand man, just like Elpo and all of that bullshit. That happens every day because they gangsters. And because they gangsters, when they go to jail, they right-hand man also could be having sex with a woman, goddammit. And right-hand men and shit, they also set you up and kidnap your mom and shit. That's what gangsters do, Takashi. Remember? It was Treyway. That's who the fuck you was when you signed up. That's what gangsters do, goddammit. It's niggas sitting in jail right motherfucking now. But I understand. Today, y'all gonna dap off Elpo, huh, New York? Matter of fact, I don't know what the fuck going on with New York. Rome has fucking fallen, goddammit. Y'all dapping off Elpo and all kind of shit, but that's another fucking story, goddammit. Y'all hear what this fool goes on to say, though? He said he don't think Takashi gonna have a problem outside of prison, goddammit. So he already setting it up for Takashi to have a smooth landing. Y'all don't know a fucking agent when you see one, and I know a lot of y'all, this probably put the icing on the cake for you, and I'm glad, goddammit. He was out there making the playing field even round this bitch. And I heard he even called up Meek Mill and made him apologize to Takashi. Tell me that ain't a motherfucking agent. And I mean agent, my bad, goddammit. You are witnessing a rebel network. But y'all see how the boy get down, huh? Do y'all understand now? I've been the one telling y'all fucking ass though. But anyway, let's continue. You are witnessing a rebel network. Let's get to the second block. They said in the interview, he was like, Takashi's sentence will be drastically reduced, and he'll have no problem coming home once he does get out. See, he been setting this up and shit. That's why I went back to this article. He said, this shit gonna be reduced drastically. See, he already knew, because when he got caught with all of them fucking guns and shit that he should have did life for, he was like, man, they gonna cut the sentence drastically. I know how this go, because that's how it went with me when I went up in there and told. Because y'all know he fucking told. I don't give a damn. It is what it is. All right, he allegedly told for the sake of YouTube. This is all comedic purposes and all of that old bullshit. We don't represent YouTube scary ass. But let's continue breaking down that second block, goddammit. He already said, look what he said at the end of that shit. Rats walking around right now. We know because they talking to your fucking ass on Big Boy TV. You walking around right now around this bitch. Let's get to the third block, goddammit. He said they riding around with somebody they know done told in the hood right now. Yeah, you know they is, but think about this, y'all. T.I. is painting a fucking imaginary scenario because in a lot of hoods, that's not what's going on. And them dudes who be telling, they better be done told on somebody from another area, goddamn it, because I know when they go back to prison, somebody is going to get fucking hurt because that's where real business is really handled, goddamn it. And if he on the streets and in that goddamn hood, then that hood look bad around this bitch. So if you talking about Atlanta, maybe you should be more specific. But he making up an imaginary scenario right fucking now. Look what he said. Well, he didn't tell on me. How you just know what everybody say? Oh, he didn't tell on me. And you know what? It is some fake motherfuckers who be like, oh, well, he didn't tell on me. Well, guess what, goddamn it? Them people who gonna be locked up like a motherfucker in the future because you're riding with a snitch who told on a nigga before to get out of trouble instead of facing his fucking troubles like a man would. You are witnessing a rebel network, so expect yourself to go to jail since you just, oh, never mind snitches and shit. Never mind how a nigga got home early and shit like that. But let's continue. He said this cat can come home and throw parties and the parties be popping. It be full. So it sound like he been to a snitch party before, goddamn it. You are witnessing the rebel network. He went on to say, this cat could come home and throw parties, and the parties be popping. It be full, he said, around the 56-minute mark. Sound like T.I. been to a lot of snitch parties, y'all. Or maybe he talking about his own motherfucking party. What party you talking about, T.I.? You said we be knowing how niggas came home and the party be popping. So that means you was in there supporting the snitch and shit like, damn, it's popping in this snitch party, boy. It's deep as a motherfucker. Let's continue with the bullshit that he said. If motherfucker don't fuck with rats, how the hell is this party so packed? And everybody know how cuz came home. Everybody know what happened. Yeah, they know what the hell you did, T.I. They know that you fucking... Well, let me stop saying that. Y'all know how this internet bullshit is. But anyway, you know it's alleged that you fucking told everybody know how you came home and all of that bullshit. But people do fuck with rats because that party you attended was packed and shit. Or that party you threw was packed around this motherfucker. Because you seem to have a lot of experience on the reactions people give the snitches, huh? So you one of them niggas who was like, well, you ain't snitch on me. Remember? Ain't you T.I.? You rubber band man. Ain't you from the streets? So you one of them niggas who was like, oh, well, that nigga ain't tell on me. Y'all understand? Y'all see where these fake ass boys be coming from, bruh? He is sitting up here making a soft bed for a snitch, and it's clearly before Takashi came home and shit. That's why I picked it, to let y'all understand how these people operate, bruh. This shit be planned way a fucking head of time. Look, he just not told y'all, oh, the sentence gonna be drastically reduced. He gonna come home and be good. And what y'all seeing right now, that boy came home, he stunting and shitting on everybody, and y'all letting him do it. And let's not even think about all the people who they say, they done him wrong, he should have snitched, even though he signed up for gangsterdom. All of that bullshit is in a contract of gangsterdom, goddammit. Or if you go to jail, you know I'ma fuck your bitch, I don't care if I'm your right-hand man. That's in a gangsterdom contract. Oh, I might set you up if I'm a part of your clique or your right-hand man. I might kidnap your mom and everything. That is the gangsterdom contract. I don't see I don't see nothing outside of that contract that happened to Takashi 6ix9ine, goddammit. You are witnessing a rebel network. But think about this, y'all. What about the people who didn't do shit to him that he told on? Remember? Remember all the celebrities? Didn't he say Jim Jones' name? What Jim Jones did to him? He kidnapped his mama too. He said what that girl name is, Cardi B. Everybody named this. She set him up too, goddammit. He said a lot of people named outside of the people who done what was in the gangsterdom contract, goddammit. He told on a lot of people. So y'all could give him a pass with that bullshit, but ask him what happened with Cardi B, Jim Jones, and all the other people and shit. All the other motherfuckers he told on in the enterprise. Even people that he paid to fucking shoot at Chief Keef and shit. Boy, people, it's crazy. But let's break down the second block around this bitch. You are witnessing the rebel network. This one is where he straight up there predicted that the sentence was going to be drastically reduced around this bitch. And as we could see, he was right. You a fucking sidekick. Cleo ain't got shit on T.I. But after that, what he said also in his second block, he said it's a lot of rats walking around right now. Well, shit, ain't you the gangster? T.I., Rubber Band Man, you know, money, clothes, cars and hoes and all of that bullshit. Ain't you a gangster? Why is all of these rats walking around? Ain't that the shit you rap about, that you hate them, T.I.? Cause you know that shit is in your last album, right? You hate rats and shit. All y'all supposed gangsters and shit like that. Remember, y'all hate rats. Why is T.I. admitting that he not doing his job by killing rats? Because he is a gangster, remember? But anyway, let's get to the third block of this bullshit. This where T.I. sit up there and said, they riding around with somebody right now that snitch. How the fuck you know what somebody riding around with? That's what your ass riding around with. He making a whole imaginary scenario. And whoever is actually riding around with a snitch right now, then shit, they'll be snitched on in the future, right? They gonna get what's coming to them, because if they sitting up there like, well, he didn't tell on me and shit, he ain't told on me yet, so whatever, expect to be told on later. You're gonna learn a lesson from chilling with snitches or allowing snitches to live, goddammit. So fuck them, T.I. What the hell is you talking about, goddammit? And then he went on to tell us how popping snitch parties be, you know, because he got a lot of experience. He was like, damn, it's popping in this snitch party. You know, T.I. know what's popping at a snitch party. He said it is so packed, man. You know what? Niggas do fuck with rats, man. It's popping at this party. God damn it, was it your party, T.I.? Must have been your motherfucking party to say nigga don't fuck with rats. They sold at my party though. But anyway, that's neither here nor there. Let's continue, y'all. T.I. was in shock at Takashi's decision to cooperate. I knew it was either that or he was gonna get himself killed, he said. I knew he wasn't gonna do no long periods of time in no RICO case. I just knew that. I didn't know it was gonna happen as soon as it did. Now let's block talk break that shit down, goddammit. How the fuck T.I. know so much, y'all? How the fuck, all we keep hearing him say is, I knew this and I knew that, goddammit. He know how people be at a snitch party. You know a whole fucking lot, y'all. He know a whole lot, but let's break it down. He said, I knew it was either that or he was gonna get himself killed, because it seemed like you know that he ain't nothing but a goddamn puppet pretending to be a fucking gangster who might actually end up getting himself harmed. That's what the fuck it sound like it's you saying to me, goddamn it. You are witnessing the Rebel Network. He said, I knew he wasn't gonna do no long periods of time, no, of no RICO case. How? How the fuck did you know that? Maybe he was committing racketeering, goddamn it. All I kept seeing him do is yell, Treyway this, Treyway that. He even ordered for Chief Keef to be murdered on camera, y'all. He said, I got a 30 pack on his head right now. That's his fucking words. So how did T.I. know all of this? You knew he wasn't gonna do this for a racketeering charge and shit like that, goddamn it. He just said he didn't know it all was gonna happen so soon. See, y'all see, do y'all see through this, goddamn it? Is it just me? Remember, this is before you are witnessing the Rebel Network. The shit just went to that old battery dying bullshit, but you witnessing the Rebel Network. Like I said, shit like that happened. Let's continue. T.I. also took the opportunity to air his grievances with people who consider him a snitch, like us here at BTN. He said anybody he would have snitched on has had 12 years to retaliate, and the lack of action on the front speaks volumes. The rapper challenged people who think his prison bed was suspiciously short and find some proof to their motherfucking claim. You are witnessing the Rebel Network. Let's break that down. T.I., every time you see him, he said, where the proof at? Where the proof at? That sounds like somebody who covered up their tracks to me. I don't know if it's just me. It's like he paid the person that he snitched on or made sure that they were straight or wasn't going to snitch at all. Because if somebody called me a snitch, you know what the fuck I'm going to say? Fuck no, I ain't snitch. Come show me how you treat a snitch then. Come fight a snitch. Let's go to war with a snitch, goddammit. But not him, y'all. You see what he's saying? Well, where the proof at? It's like when you ask your kid, did you eat that last bag of Cheetos, and even though they got all that earned shit around their lips, they be like, where the proof that I ate that shit? I don't see the bag around. No, I ain't, where the proof? And you say you got all the signs is there, son. You got the fucking, it's all over you. The cheese is all over you. That's how T.I. is. One of them rats with the cheese is all over him, He got out and like, how y'all got proof that I read it, Tell me how I read it. I got out of jail suspiciously early, but for all of them semi-automatic weapons, but do y'all have any proof and shit? That type of bullshit. Y'all see this fake ass dude got that? It's like he covered his tracks and he know you ain't gonna find the proof because he made sure you don't find the goddamn proof. Let's get to the last block. The thing that really hurt my feelings when cats have suspicions about me and how my case worked and how I got down in such a downward departure and put that on me. He said, my paperwork is available. Anybody that ever want to anyone that ever want to see it. My plea agreement, you can pull up my court minutes. All you need is my name and my birthday. It's public record. Ain't no secret snitches. And basically what y'all just got from him is more of the same old bullshit. Go find the proof, this, that, and the third. And y'all know damn well it is secret snitches. There are people who can be paid off to shut the fuck up, goddammit. Your testimony probably went secret in the motherfucker. You T.I., goddammit. All you gotta do is grease some palms. Get the fuck out of here, T.I. But you see why you can't trust these motherfuckers? But I know it's a hater right now. Man, you hate. Well, the person who hating on me for speaking my opinion. You hating because T.I. got bitches and he balling and 24s, cars and clothes and all of that. I know you right there, but you should have been left because really I've been put out the disclaimer. You shouldn't be here. This is for adults only, goddammit. And really, this the rampage fucking era. I want y'all to know that. We going on a complete rampage. I'm not about to be setting up no elaborate videos every last time. I'm about to just go in on these people because I don't have time no more, goddammit. We really at war, goddammit. Look at T.I. puppet ass, you did. That's just by far the words on it. This dude is a complete fool. I been told y'all about him, though. Once again, y'all holler at me.